Welcome to Intelligence Technology News for August 24, 2026. Realme has officially confirmed the launch date for its new C100i smartphone in the Indian market. The device will become available on Flipkart starting immediately from tomorrow morning. This model features 4 GB of random access memory paired with up to 128 GB of storage space. Buyers can choose between Skyline Silver or Midnight Black color options for their new unit. The phone includes a high refresh rate display and a large 6500 mAh battery. Users are expressing strong interest in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 due to its new processor choice. The device now utilizes the Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, which represents a significant upgrade for smartwatch technology. Many consumers felt disappointed by previous Qualcomm implementations, but this change marks a clear improvement. Samsung has finally committed to using their best available hardware for the specific wearable model. This decision addresses long-standing concerns regarding performance and battery efficiency in the sector. Researchers have determined that a fiber optic cable route across the Drake Passage to Antarctica is technically feasible. This project aims to replace current satellite links and physical hard drive shipments for research data transfer. A feasibility study conducted by consulting firms concluded last week that the 1,800-kilometer crossing can be built. This infrastructure would allow Chilean bases to connect directly to the global network without delays. It promises to end the era of sending data in suitcases full of traditional storage drives. Tech Mahindra has agreed to purchase the information technology division of the German automotive manufacturer. The transaction involves a total enterprise value of $373 million for the deal. Porsche has committed €1.25 billion to TCS over the course of the next 5 years. This partnership focuses on deploying artificial intelligence across engineering and manufacturing operations within the company. The agreement also includes developing next-generation automotive technology and software-defined mobility solutions together. Comcast has introduced a new feature that allows their Xfinity Wi-Fi network to detect motion within homes. This capability is part of the newly launched Wi-Fi motion service designed for security purposes. The system uses radio wave disruption to identify movement without requiring additional cameras or sensors. Customers can now utilize this tool as part of the Xfinity Wi-Fi Shield protection package. The corporation positions itself as a high-tech security provider for residential environments. Apple has finally added voice control functionality to its Apple TV after an 8-year development period. This update addresses long-standing requests from users regarding hands-free interface options for the device. The feature allows owners to navigate menus and control playback through simple vocal commands. It represents a significant step forward in making the television more accessible for all users. This addition completes a decade of internal work focused on improving smart home integration. The United Kingdom government has urged social media platforms to remove videos showing dangerous driving behaviors. Defense Minister Luke Pollard stated that there is no place for trends encouraging people to drive incorrectly on public roads. Officials are calling for immediate action against content that promotes such risky maneuvers online. The goal is to stop the spread of information that could lead to fatal accidents involving pedestrians and vehicles. Google has quietly released a new application named Android Pulse onto the Google Play Store for select users. This hidden utility runs in the background to monitor and check for misbehaving applications on the device. Users are currently unaware that this app has been installed as part of an automatic update process. The system is designed to maintain stability by identifying software issues without user intervention. Thank you for watching Intelligence Technology News today. Subscribe for more updates and join our community for the next bulletin.